backyard. Stay out. What about the deer?
What?
That's right.
Oh my god! Hi, little babies. Muffins.
Oh, don't get cut. Don't get cut.
In like Patagonia or something.
Isn't it nuts?
Woo! Party!
Welcome to Cali, motherfucker! Yeah! That's why we paid $5,000 a month for a studio! To go to this particular beach for a long time. They may or may not.
That I'm filming them. Or whatever time it is that we. I can't remember. Oh, was it? Wow, I'm obsessed with all these.
Aren't they pretty?
Yes.
Yeah. This is manifestation time.
Right. And that's for me. And that's for me.
That's for me. I'll take one. I'll take two. I'll take three. I'll take all of them.
Sequoia National.
At some point.
Yeah.
After you're kind of ironic because it's winter time. But
Now pan back to me.